Guys, welcome back. And we're playing what's this game called? Oh yeah, this is named Monster Truck Destruction because I got unlocked 3 trucks about barefoot and Western Renegade and a Bigfoot Submeat. Okay, let's go do some. We got tons of tracks that we can lock because I'm a pro at racing, right? And I'm a pro at freestyling, but not all the time. My prize is going to be $2,000. That's a lot. Now it's time to practice here. Now let's go do something. Okay, this looks kind of cool. And boom! Oh! Oh my god. Way huge here. Psh, psh. Whoa! Oh, we huge backflip and he did it. Oh. Oh. Wait, that's my mom because my milk was so hot. Okay, I'll just jump over here and the bus. Oh, just hit the caravans. Oh. I'm in go go go. Okay. We're going to crash this guy over and we're going to do a cyclone. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm stuck in here. I got a lot of score. Oh. Oh no, my wheel. Oh no. No. Okay, that's it because Bigfoot Sublimate has lost the wheel. Let's go back to the end run and the repair. Okay, I'll just go with drag race. Let's go get this. Bigfoot Sublimate. Okay, California Kid. I know it. He's a little guy. Okay, go. Okay, we're going this way and crunch these guys. Ow! That hurt. Ha. Let's see if I can qualify. Okay, oh no, it's not good. I lost it because that was my dad working. I think it's time. It's time to do some freestyle. Let's go. There's a tons of things that you can do. You can do some jumping, crashing, and even more. Or more like backflips. Boom, we got a gap. Oh! It's Bigfoot 4x4. It got crushed. Oh, we got a lot of score. Whoa! Ah! Oh no! I need to do this. Oh, come on! Just flip. Boom! I'll just go right here and jump. Oh! Yes, we got bonus time. Oh, backflip. We're going to go up. Ah, Go. I'm in the Philippines because I don't need Robux. Oh. Okay, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was some great timing because he got a little damage. Oh no! Okay, I got damage 29. My damage was that. Okay, it's time to get Reston Renegade. And we're going to go practice here. Let's get this guy here. Let's go! Oh! He did a huge backflip. Okay, let's see a huge air with pictures. Oh yeah, it didn't crash so much. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's huge air. Sky Willy. Oh. I think I should. I can't go under because I'm too big for it. Yeah. It's a. Oh. Okay, guys. Oh, there's a lot of destruction. I want to see that big air. Oh, got crashed. Get barefoot down. You're going to barefoot. Oh! Oh, he did a wheelie. I did a sky wheelie. Oh. Never broke up in the base. Never broke up in the base. Boom! It's going crazy. Wicked. Yoink! Oh, it did Sky Wheelie. I'm going to post this video at YouTube because don't I tell my mom. Oh, no! Oh! That was a save. Let's see if we can break our wheel. Oh! Let's see if I can do a backflip without wheels. Ow! That hurt. Ow! Ah! Okay. Ah! Let's see. Oh! I did a backflip because my wheels thing came out. Let's see if we can. Oh! I got 900 score. Oh, my score. Boing! Oh no! We're going to have $150. Oh! Boom, boom, boom. Oh no! Oh, the wheel came out. Okay, that was my end run, and I got 12 money. The broke up maybe. Okay, we got 51. And I got broke up and pizza. Okay, this looks kind of cool car. I mean truck. Looks like there's even new trucks here. King Kong, or Hog Wild, Crunch Time, Total chaos. And that's it. Okay, I'll just see you guys in the next video because I'm going to ride in Philippines Pride. See you guys next time.